The Leman Russ battle tank is the primarily main battle tank of the Astra Militarum and is also the most widely deployed tank in the Imperium. This medium tank is named after the Primarch of the Space Wolves, Leman Russ. Far from a sophisticated vehicle, the Leman Russ was designed and built with reliability and versatility in mind. It can survive the worst galaxy can throw at it and can run on almost any combustible liquid fuel. Though the Leman Russ is slow, its frontal armour is strong enough to withstand the multitude of weaponry wielded by the enemies of the Emperor of Mankind. Its side and rear armour remains thinner to reduce the strain on the tank's engines. This characteristic does make the Leman Russ vulnerable to assault from these angles, requiring infantry support, other tanks or very careful operation to protect the vehicle. The Leman Russ can only perform its optimal capabilities when all of these elements are combined during an Imperial armoured advance. One of the most common Leman Russ variants, the Leman Russ Demolisher, is equipped with a Demolisher cannon and is designed as a short-range bombardment and line breaker tank. The extreme power of this weapon is hampered by its short effective range. Demolishers are valued as close heavy fire support weapons by the Imperial Guard's infantry units, and it is the most common variant of the Leman Russ that is equipped with plasma cannons and multi-melters on its sponsored mounts in order to make them more effective against heavily armoured units. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.